Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about my name is Abhimanyu. My name is Abhimanyu. Hello everyone, welcome to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanyu. Today I'm going to talk about what equipments do I use for making YouTube videos. This video will be helpful for beginners who are just starting YouTube channel. Video title sounds like I'm using a bunch of gears for shooting the videos for YouTube, but not exactly. I'm just using one camera body and two lenses. See, I'm a Canon shooter and always it will be like that. If I'm trying to switch it to Sony or Nikon, it will be very difficult for me to shoot in Sony and Nikon because I'm shooting in Canon for almost 7 years. The gears which I'm using now is Canon EOS 550D and I'm using two lenses, Canon 50mm f1.8 and Sigma 18 to 200. And one more gear, instead of tripod I'm using a Gorilla Pod. For every video I'm using a Gorilla Pod. It is very useful for doing vlogs. Till now about 20-30 videos I created using this Gorilla Pod. And all thanks goes to my sister. She gifted this Gorilla Pod on my birthday. Sometimes I use my phone for shooting the videos, and the phone model is Lenovo Vibe P1M. It's obviously Sony and Nikon are great cameras. In case if I bought a new camera, I won't be able to switch it because the camera which I am using now, 550D, will be remain my favorite till the end. Content is more important, doesn't matter how you're shooting with. If anyone asks me what DSLR camera should I buy for shooting a YouTube video, I would recommend you can buy one fancy DSLR camera. I won't recommend to buy expensive camera because when starting a channel, fancy camera is more than enough. See, I don't carry a full bag of lens or cameras. I'm just using one camera body and two lenses, that is Sigma 18 to 200 and Canon 50mm f1.8. That lens is more than enough for me to shoot the videos. If you are looking into the audio, I would recommend my friends start from cheap mic. That is my personal opinion, okay? After that, once your channel starts growing, then eventually you can buy good mic, good lens, good camera body and good tripod as well. Okay guys, this is a small video. I just thought about making a video like this, so I came in front of the camera and I had to share this with you guys. Fine. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and families. And if you have any doubt regarding this topic, I will definitely get in touch with you. Cheers guys, thank you. I will definitely get in back with you. Definitely get in back with you. I will definitely get in back in touch with you. Oh, yeah, no.